Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Remind Yourself from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Remind yourself, most of your barriers are caused by your feelings of inadequacies. For if you knew the power that dwells inside you, you wouldn't fear and you would never feel weak. The key is to remind yourself of this power until you feel it in your body. Then you'll say nothing can tear me down and nothing can interfere with my divine mission. Amazing. Thank you so much, Danny G. I believe this with 100% of my being. Once you know what you have inside of you, nothing can tear you down. It's true. Because anything anybody says or anything like that, if you let go of your ego, nothing will bother you that people say about you. Because why does some opinion of you matter more than your own opinion of you? It shouldn't. You shouldn't care, not even a little bit. Well, I mean, like, if it's coming from the heart, whatever you're doing, it's coming from the heart. I believe in love so much, and good vibrations keep the negativity away. I believe that anything you desire, truly desire from your heart, the bottom of your heart, that's what you're sent here for. That's what I believe to do. Whatever that is, let it open up for you. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.